1.5 is 71. If 2.3 whole power x is equal 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. Then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Listen. Now it is very important problem. If 2.3 whole power x is equal 0.23 whole power y is equal 1000. So then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Okay? So listen. This is our condition. 2.3 whole power x is equal 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. Okay. Don't write now. So 2.3 whole power x is equal 1000 you take first step. Okay now. So 2.3 whole power x is equal to 1000. Now this is 23 by what 10? 23 by 10 whole power x is equal to 1000. Right? So we have to remove this x here. Okay. దీని ఇక్కడ x క్యాన్సిల్ చేసుకోవాలి. We have to remove the x. Now exclude on both sides. Exclude on both sides. Exclude on both sides. So what is therefore x root of 23 by 10 whole power x is equal x root of 1000. X root of 1000. So this is written as 23 by 10 whole power x whole power 1 by x. X root is the whole power 1 by x. Okay na? X root is whole power 1 by x is equal 1000 whole power 1 by x. X gets cancelled. So what remains? 23 by 10 is equal, this is 10 cube, this 1000 is written as 10 cube whole power 1 by x. So next what here? So 23 by 10 is equal 10 power 3 by x. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. And next step for 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. Okay, ma? So 0.23 whole power y is equal to 1000. Same. So what is 23 by 100 whole power y is equal to 10 cube you write. 1000 is written as 10 cube. So what? Next row. So 23 on y root on both sides. Again we have to remove this y here. Okay na? Y root on both sides. Root on both sides. Now y root on 23 by 100 whole power y is equal to what? 1000 means what? 10 cube. So and this is the y root on 10 cube. Right. So this y gets cancelled. So what next? This is 23 by 100 is equal 10 power 3 by y. This is 10 power 3 by y. Okay, directly I am writing. So next what beta? This is 23 by 10 into 1 by 10. 10 tens are 100. Now it is equal to 10 power 3 by y. So from equation number 1, next one, 23 by 10 into 10 power minus 1 you write. This denominator if you write in the numerator, okay, now it becomes 10 power minus 1. Now it is equal to 10 power 3 by y. Okay, right. So according to equation number 1, 23 by 10 is equal to 10 power 3 by x. Okay, 10 power 3 by x. Exact వచ్చేసింది. Okay. here 23 by 10 is equal to 10 power 3 by x, equation number 1, and 23 by 10 into 10 power minus 1 is equal to okay. So 23 by 10 is equal to, from equation number 1. From equation number 1, what is the 23 by 10 is equal to 10 power 3 by x. Here you can apply. Therefore, 10 power 3 by x into 10 power minus 1 is equal to 10 power 3 by y. Bases are equal. Okay, now bases are equal. Then power should be added. So what? Therefore, 10 power 3 by x minus 1 by 1 is equal to 10 power 3 by y. 10 gets cancelled. So what next to 3 by x minus 1 by 1 is equal to 3 by y. So what next what? 3 by x minus 3 by y. Then this is so 3 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 1 by 1. Now you take the LCM. So for okay. Next one, here 3 is common. 3 is common. Then what? 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So what next to 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. So what is the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. This is answer. So otherwise, okay. So 23 by 10. 23 by 10 is equal to 10 power 3 by x. Okay na? And next word from equation number 2 we have to written. So 23 by 10. Okay. The 10 value if you can write in the numerator it becomes powers minus 10 power minus 1 is equal to 10 power 3 by 1. From equation number 1. So instead of 23 by 10 you can apply 10 power 3 by x. 10 power the bases are equal then power should be added. 10 gets cancelled. 3 by x minus 1 by 1 is equal to 3 by y. So what next? 3 by x minus 3 by y is equal to 1. Now here 3 is a common. Okay, but 3 common is 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1. So what next? 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. Okay, right. Okay, if 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. So this is also very important question. Public examination. This is the previous chapter are important. So condition what? 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x. So this is standard form. This is standard form. We cannot solve this because of 2 power x plus 1 is equal to 3 power 1 minus x. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంటే ఈజీగా సాల్వ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అకార్డింగ్ టు వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ 2 ఉండాలి, ఇక్కడ 3 అయినా ఏదైనా ఉండాలి. బట్ బేస్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ దెన్ పవర్ షుడ్ బి యాడెడ్ అట్లా ఉండాలన్నమాట. సో ఇక్కడ 2 పవర్ 1 x ప్లస్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 3 పవర్ 1 మైనస్ x. వీ కెనాట్ ఏబుల్ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ ఈజ్. సో మనకు ఒకటే వే ఒకటే ఉంది. ఆ వే ఏంటి అంటే టేకింగ్ బోత్ సైడ్ లాగరిథమ్స్. ఓకేనా? టేకింగ్ both sides log. So what, therefore log of 2 power x plus 1 is equal log of 3 power 1 minus x. Log 2 power x plus 1 is equal log of 3 power 1 minus x. So Akshara, log a power n is equal to n into log a. Log a power n is equal to n into log a. N into log a. So what next here? So x plus 1 into log 2. Okay now, x plus 1 into log 2 is equal 1 minus x into log 3. Log 3. We can multiply with log. Okay? X log 2. Okay now, therefore x log 2. Okay now, x log 2 plus log 2 1 into log 2 is equal, so 1 into log 3 minus x into log 3, x log 3 minus x log 3. So next what? X, therefore x log 2 minus plus x log 3 beta. x log 2 దీన్ని ఇక్కడ తీసుకొచ్చేసినాం మనం. x log 3 is equal log 3 minus log 2. log 3 minus log 2. So what next here? So x is common. Here x is common. Log 2 plus log 3. Log 2 plus log 3. Log 2 plus log 3 is equal. Next what beta? Log 3 minus log 2. Log 3 minus log 2. Now here we need to find the value of x. X is equal log 3 minus log 2 by, okay na? Log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. Log 2 plus log 3. Again log a minus log b is equal log a by b. Okay na? Log a minus log b is equal log a by b. So therefore log 3 by 2. Log a minus log b log a by b. Log 3 by 2. ఇక్కడ ఏముంటుందమ్మా? log 2 plus log 3 is equal log 2 into 3 log 6. So log 2 into 3. Okay, log 2 into 3. Now therefore log 3 by 2 by log 3 to the 6. This is answer. Okay na? Right. So rational numbers and their expansions. Do you know that is the rational numbers are in the form of p by q. Okay, rational numbers are in the form of p by q. So here terminating decimal and non-terminating repeating decimals will be two types. Terminating and non-terminating and repeating decimals. So terminating decimals means what beta? For example, terminating decimals. So what is the terminating decimal? For example, 4 by 5. 4 by 5 for example. 4 by 5 means what? 4 is divided by 5. Okay na? 0, 0.4 table of 40 4 8 na? 4 8 the 4. Is it terminating decimal or non-terminating repeating decimal? So this is the terminating decimal. And non-terminating repeating decimal means what? Non-terminating repeating decimal. So for example 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So which is the terminating decimal? So what is that? 1, 3. Okay na? 1, 3. So next word beta 0 పెట్టుకుంటావు 0.2. So what? 3 3s are 9. So 1 0. 3 3s are 9. So 1 0. 3 3s are 9. So what is that here? 0.3 bar. 0.3 bar. So this is the example for non-terminating decimal. Okay, this is the terminating decimal. For terminating decimals, we have to get remainder is 0. Okay, in terminating decimals, so we have to get remainder is 0. In non-terminating decimal is also called as repeating decimal. Okay, repeating decimal. So okay, right, beta. Now next one is total మనం ఏం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి? So rational numbers are in the form of p by q. Okay na? Rational numbers are in the form of p by q. And for example, some examples will be here. 0.375. 0.375. Let us consider the following terminating decimals. 0.375. So you can change into the form of p by q. Change in the form of p by q. Change in the form of p by q. So what solution? 0.375. So after point, how many decimals will be? 3 decimals. Okay, 3 decimals. So that's why it is written as 375 by 1000. 375 by 1000. So this is in the form of P by Q. And next one was better 1.04. Try this problem online. 1.04. So first and second one. So 1.04. 1.04 is nothing but 104 by 100. So now 104 by 100. And next third one and better equal only 0.0875. 0.0875. So the name was 875 by 10,000. 875 by 10,000. And next word beta here 12.5. Third fourth one. So 12.5. So this 12.5 is you can write in the form of P by Q. Simple beta find this is in the amount of chooses for. And then we were 125 by 10. So this is also in the form of P by Q. Right. Statement in the surrender. So change in the form of P by Q or also. Okay, na? Following numbers and change in the form of P by Q or also. Try this. Okay, 0.375 beta. We can change in the form of P by Q. So what? 375 by after point how many decimals? 3 decimals కాబట్టి 3 రోజు పెట్టేసుకుంటాం. ఓకేనా? So next word this is so 375 by జాగ్రత్త ఏంటంటే 375 by 1000 కదమ్మా. మరి 1000 అన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాం మరి ఇక్కడ 10 క్యూబ్ రాసుకోవచ్చు. 375 by 10 cube. So what? 375 by 10 cube. So this is the 2 into 5 whole cube. 2 into 5 whole cube. So what? We take LCM for 375 LCM. In which table beta ikkada manaku kavalsindi? So what? 5 table. 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are again 5 15s are. Next what? 5 3s are. So this 375 is written as 5 cube into 3 by, okay now, 5 cube into 3 by 2 cube into 5 cube. 2 cube into 5 cube. So next word here 5 cube gets cancelled. So next word beta 3 by 2 cube. So 3 by 2 cube is equal to what? 3 by 8. So this is in the form of P by Q. Okay na? అర్థమైంది కదా ఇది? రాయండి. Yeah, 1.04 you can change in the form of P by Q. ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ మనకు సో 104 by 100. 104 by 100. So next word beta 104 by so this is 10 square. Akshay, please concentrate. So next word beta 104 by 5 into 2 whole square. 5 into 2 whole square. Again you take the LCM for 104. 104. So what beta here? 2 4 2 5 2s are. Okay now next word 2 2s are 4 2 6 are na 2 6 are. Next word 2 30s are. So 2 cube into 13. So what? Therefore 104 is known as 2 cube into 13 by 5 square into 2 square. 5 square into 2 square. This 2 cube is nothing but 2 square into 2, right? Okay now 2 square into 2. So 2 square into 2. Base are equal, then power should be added. So into what beta? 13 by 5 square into 2 square. So what cancel? 2 square gets cancelled beta. And next what here? So 2 into 13 by 5 square. 2 into 13 and 26 26 by 25. 26 by 25. So this is in the form of P by Q. Right. See 0.0875 isn't it? 0.0875. So after point how many digits will be here? So 4. So what? 875 by 10,000 అవుతుంది. 875 by 10,000. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏం బేటా ఇక్కడ 875 బై ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం 10 పవర్ 4 1 2 3 4 కాబట్టి 4 రాసేస్తాం. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాం బేటా మళ్ళీ 875 బై ఏం రాస్తాం 2 into 5 హోల్ పవర్ 4 రాస్తాం. ఓకే దీన్ని నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాం బేటా 875 బై 2 power 4 into 5 power 4 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. So 875 LCM beta. So 875 LCM. So in which table? 5 table. So 5 ones 5. Okay. Next one 5 7 the 35. Next 5 5 the 25. Again which table? 5. So 5 3 the 50. Emotion beta 5 5 the 25. Again 5 7. 5 7 the 30. అంటే 875 is equal to 5 cube into 7. So the name రాసుకోవచ్చు 5 cube into 7 by 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. Next word beta 5 cube రాస్తున్నాం కదా మనం 5 cube into 7 by so 2 power 4 as it is రాసుకోండి 2 power 4 into 5 power 4 means what 5 cube into 5 base are equal then part should be added 5 cube gets cancelled 7 by okay 7 by 2 power 4 into 5 so 7 by 2 power 4 means what 2 to the 4 over the 16 by the 80 7 by 80 so this is correct only 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 8 to the 16 16 by the 80 है ना अक्षरा 80 है ना अम्मा 80 है ना so 7 by 18 so this is in the form of p by q okay 85 right ये कितना कुछ नहीं है So 12.5 change in the form of p by q. Okay na? 12.5 change in the form of p by q. So what beta here? 125 by m raskochu babu 10 raskochu. So the name raskochu beta 125 by 2 into 5. Simple. So next what? 125 LCM తీసుకున్నాం beta. So 5 ఏమొస్తుంది 5 to the 10 5 5 the 25. Next what? 5 5. So what here 125 is written as 5 cube. So 5 cube by 2 into 5. 5 cube by 2 into 5. So this is 5 square into 5 power 1 by 2 into 5. 5 5 gets cancelled. 5 square by 2. 5 square means what? 25 by 2. So this is in the form of p by q. Okay now? Right. Listen, one important note here. What is the theorem? Theorem. Let x be a rational number. Let x be a rational number. Let x be a rational number whose decimal form are terminates. Whose decimal form are forms are terminates. Reason. Let x be a rational number. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q. Okay na? P by q. Let x be very very important. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో లెట్ x be a rational number whose decimal is terminates with. Decimal form is terminates. Terminates means what? We have to get remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, so that is a terminates. మనం రిపీట్ కాదు ఇంకా, ఓకేనా? అండ్ then x can be expressed. Then x can be expressed. Then x can be expressed in the form of p by q. In the form of p by q. P by q means what? P by q, which is the rational form of rational number. P by q is the form of rational number. And also p and q are co-primes. P and q are co-primes. Co-primes. This p and q are co-primes, and the prime factorization of q in the form of 2 power n and 5 power m. So prime factorization is in the form of 2 power n and 5 power n. 5 power n, 2 power n and 5 power n. Prime factorization is in the form of 2 power n and 5 power n. Listen better. ఏమంటుండో? Let x be a rational number. Rational numbers are in the form of p by q. Okay na? Let x be a rational number and rational numbers are in the form of p by q. Okay na? Just we are thinking about only q. Q is the prime factorization. Okay na? Q is the multiples of prime factorization. So what is the, so do you know the prime numbers? What is that? 2 comma for 2. So okay na? 2, 3, 5, 7 like that. Okay. So p and q are co-primes and prime factorization is in the form of 2 power n and 5 power m. M comma n are, listen better. Here m comma n are non-negative integers. Non-negative. Non-negative means what? Non-negative means what? నాట్ నెగిటివ్. నాట్ నెగిటివ్ అంటే ఏంటి మరి? ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ అన్నట్టే కదా. మనకు రెండే చార్జెస్ ఉంటాయి, నెగిటివ్ చార్జెస్ ఉంటుంది, తర్వాత పాజిటివ్ చార్జెస్ ఉంటుంది. సో m కామా n ఆర్ నాన్ నెగిటివ్ ఇంటీజర్స్. ఓకేనా? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్ థీరమ్. నౌ యూ కెన్ కాపీ దిస్ ఇస్ ఫాస్ట్. తొందరగా రైట్. Yeah, page number 11. Do this problem. Write the following terminating decimals. Listen better. Write the following terminating decimals in the form of p by q. Q is not equal to 0. P comma q are co-primes. Write the denominators in 2 power n and 5 power n theorem. So first one చూడండి, 15.265. 15.265. 15.265 you can write with form of p by q beta. So what? 15 అంటే పాయింట్ తర్వాత ఏముంది మనకు 3 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 15.265 by 1000. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాం బెటా మనం? 15265 by, సో దీన్ని 10 క్యూబ్ రాసేస్తాం. 10 క్యూబ్ రాసేస్తాం. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాము దీన్ని? 15265 by 2 into 5 whole cube. 2 into 5 whole cube. So what next beta here? So 15265 by 2 cube into 5 cube. 2 cube into 5 cube. Now we have to take the LCM for 15265. Okay na? So 15265 LCM తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది బేటా? ఇది టేబుల్ బేటా 5 టేబుల్. సో ఓకే 5 3s ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ 5 5s నెక్స్ట్ వన్ నెక్స్ట్ 5 3s 15. సో మరి ఏం బేటా? 0 పెట్టేసి అందరూ చేసిన పొరపాటు ఏంటంటే 3 5s 15. ఓకేనా? సరే రైట్, ఇక్కడ ఉంది మనకి 5 5s 25. 1 రిమైన్స్ 5 3s 15 అంటారు. 353 అని చెప్పేస్తాం, పోతుంది. చూసుకోవాలి కొంచెం. నెక్స్ట్ బేటా ఇంకా ఏ టేబుల్లో పోదు ఇంకా. ఓకేనా? ఇంకా పోదు ఇంకా, అంతే ఇక ఉండదు. ఇంకా ఉంటుందా? ఉండదు. 3053 ఎందులో పోదు ఇంకా? 23 పోతుందా? 13 పోతుందా? పోతుందా 33 అంటే 33 అంటే కాలేదు సార్ 33 పోతున్నా పోయినా కానీ ఇక్కడ పోదు కదా ఇక్కడ 3 1 3 3 10 3 1 23 మీకు నాట్ గోయింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్. సో ఏం చేస్తాం బెటర్ దీన్ని మరి అంటే సో 5 ఇంటూ ఏం రాస్తుంది చెప్పండి 5 ఇంటూ 3053 బై 5 ఇంటూ 3053 బై ఏం రాసి చెప్పండి 2 క్యూబ్ ఇంటూ 5 2 cube into 5 square, yes 5 square into 5. So 5 gets cancelled. So what 3053 by 2 cube into 5 square. So 3053. 2 cube means what better 8 into 25. So what next here 3053 by 200. So this is in the form of P by Q. So what is our question? Write the following terminating decimals in the form of P by Q. Q is not equal 0. Q is not equal 0 is nothing but this is rational form, rational numbers. Okay, and P comma Q are co-primes and write the denominators in the form of 2 power n 5 power n form అంటున్నాడు. 2 already we written here 2 power n 5 power m. ఓకేనా m ఓకే బేటా ఇక్కడ 2 కి 3 ఉంటే 3 ఏ ఉండాలి నెక్స్ట్ ఫేజ్ లో వచ్చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది అన్నమాట. we use 2 power n 5 power n తీరం. ఓకే ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లం లో కూడా మనం డిస్కస్ చేసినాం అంటే అది చేసినాం కాబట్టి ఇది ఈజీగా అర్థమైంది. ఓకేనా రైట్. So next problem 0.1255 0.1255 1255 beta. Next we can write in the form of P by Q while using 2 power n and 5 power n theorem. So what beta 1255 by m రాసుకోవచ్చమ్మా అక్షర 1000. how many zeros 4 zeros. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేసుకుందాం బేటా దీన్ని 1255 by 10 power 4 1255 by 10 power 4. So next what here 1255 by 2 into 5 whole power 4 2 into 5 whole power 4. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేద్దాం బేటా మరి 1255 by ఏం చేస్తాం 2 power 4 into 5 power 4. So next what 2 power 4 into 1255 take LCM for 1255 ఏం చేస్తాం 1255 ఓకేనా 1255. సో ఈ మిస్టేబుల్ బేటా 5 టేబుల్. సో చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది 5 2s are 10 నెక్స్ట్ వన్ బేటా 5 5s are 25 నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 5 1s are 5 అంతేనా 5 2s are 10 so it becomes 25 5 5s are 25 5 1s are 5 వాళ్ళు ఇంటి చేసుకున్నా కానీ సేమ్ వాల్యూ వచ్చేస్తుంది 251 పోదిగా అంతే ఇక అది స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మింగ్. సో therefore ఏం చేస్తున్నాం 5 into 1255 ఓకేనా 5 into 1255 by 2 power 4 చెప్పు 5 into 251 5 into 251 by 2 power 4 into ఏం రాసుకోవచ్చు 5 power 4 అయ్యింది. సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేయొచ్చు మనం ఇక్కడ 5 into చెప్పండి 5 into చెప్పండి 5 into 251 by 2 power 4 into 5 cube into 5. So 5 gets cancelled. 251 by 2 power 4 into 5 cube. So 251 okay na. So 251 by 2 power 4 means what 16. 2 power 4 is equal 16 into 5 cube is 5 by the 25 25 by the 125. So 16 into 125 ఏమొస్తుందమ్మా 1600 1600 లో ఏమొస్తుంది 16 into 25 60 into 25 చెప్పక్షర 251 by 1600 2000 వచ్చిందా ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ 2000. సో 251 by 2000. So what is the 2 power n 5 power n theorem in the denominator అంటే ఇంతవరకు రాసుకోవాలి while using 1 to common 1255 by 2 power 4 guys, this is the 2 power n and 5 power n in the denominator. Okay na? So this is 2 power n and 5 power n in the denominator. Okay, right. Next problem is see next problem better. 0.4 third one. 0.4. Reason 0.4 is nothing but 4 by 10. 4 by 10. This direct cancel చేసుకుంటే కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది. But what is our condition? We can use 2 power n and 5 power n theorem in the denominator. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 2 by 5 డైరెక్ట్ వచ్చేస్తుంది లాస్ట్. అదే మనకు వచ్చాల్సింది. కానీ మనం ఏం చేయాలి బేట? 2 power n 5 power n థీరం యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అంటే 4 by 2 into 5. 2 power 1